Hello Kawamat. So kung i-discuss ko ngayon ay kung paano natin i-apply ang rational function in real life situation. Okay, first, kailangan muna natin magkaroon ng idea o i-recall muna natin kung ano yung polynomial function. A polynomial function p of degree is a function that can be written in the form p of x is equal to a sub n x raised to n plus a sub n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2 x raised to n minus 2 plus and a sub 1 x plus a sub 0, where your a sub 0 and a sub 1 up to a sub n is all real numbers, but your a sub n should not be equal to 0. And n is a positive integer, so each added of the sum is at the term of polynomial function. The constant a sub 0, a sub 1, and a sub 2 up to a sub n are the coefficients. So the leading coefficient is a sub n. So nandito is the leading coefficient, and this one is the constant term. Okay? So how are we going to apply rational function in real world application? For example, the local barangay received a budget of 100,000 to provide medical checkups for the children in the barangay. The amount is to be allotted equally among all the children in the barangay. So kapag nagre-represent tayo ng variables to solve the problem, so nagle-let tayo ng mga variables o gumagamit tayo ng mga variables to represent the statement. For example, so we represent y, we let y as the amount per child. And then, we let x as the number of children. So, dalawa lang naman yung ginagagamitin natin variable, the x and y. Again, so si y represent as the allotted amount per child. Tapos yung x natin, the x variable is the total number of children. Okay. So this is now the function. Y is equal to 100,000 over x. So yung problem na to, ito yung function niya ngayon. So ibig sabihin, so kapag nag-substitute tayo dito ng 5 or 5, kasi yung x daw ay the number of children, okay? So kung may 5 bata lang sa barangay, mas malaki ang makuha nila bawat isa. Okay, let's try this. So the local barangay received that's the problem and this is the function. Let's try to fill up the table, okay, with the different allotment amounts for different values for the number of children. For example, so kung merong 10 bata, ilan yung makukuha nila? Bawat isa. So using the function y is equal to 100,000 over x, bawat isa makakatanggap ng 10,000. Paano kung merong 20 children yung barangay na yon? Magkano ang matatanggap ng bawat isa? So makakatanggap sila ng 5,000 or 5,000 bawat isa. Paano naman kapag 50 children in that particular barangay? So magkano ang matatanggap nila bawat isa? Makakatanggap sila ng 2,000. Paano kapag 100? So 1,000 na lang makukuha nila. Paano kapag 200 ang bata? 500 ang makukuha nila bawat isa. So, mas maraming bata, syempre mas konti yung allotment na marireceive nila, no? Yung allotted amount na makukuha nila. Like for example, kapag 300 na, magkano na lang ang makukuha ng bawat isang bata? 333.33. Pag 500, mas mababa. 200 na lang ang makukuha ng bawat isa. Kung may isang kung may 1,000 sa barangay na yon, tigwa 100 lang ang makukuha nila. So this is an example na uh, pwede nyo makita yung application ng rational function. So for example, we add the statement. So dagdagan natin yung statement ng problem natin kanina. A philanthropist wants to supplement the budget allotted for each child by providing an additional 750 pesos for each child in the barangay. So kung kanina, no, may 100,000 tayo tapos kinukuha natin yung bawat allotted ng bata depende sa number ng uh, children in that particular barangay. Ngayon, merong gustong tumulong na bawat makukuha ng isang bata ay gusto niyang dagdagan ng 750 pesos. So, balikan natin yung table kanina. So, yan yung magiging function natin, no? So, hindi kayo maglalagay dito ng hindi nyo ilalagay yung 750 dito sa 100,000. Bakit? Ibig sabihin, yung allotted amount nila, dagdag pa yung 750. Yun ang makukuha ng bata. So, ito yung function nila. Bagong function natin. So, balikan natin yung table kanina. So, kapag may 10 bata, makakuha sila ng 10,750. Bawat isa yan ha, marireceive nila. So, madadagdagan lang ng 750 yung amount kanina. Okay? So, kung kanina yung 500, 200 na lang makukuha ng bata. So, pag nadagdagan sila ng 750, so may 950 silang marireceive. Kanina sa 1,000, 100 lang makukuha ng bata. May plus silang 750, so 850 ang marireceive nila. Okay? Ano ba talaga yung rational function? A rational function para siyang fraction, no? A rational function of the form f of x. So, meron tayong numerator and denominator where p of x and q of x. So, yung p of x is yung numerator natin. Q of x is yung denominator natin. Our polynomial function and q of x is not the zero function. Again, dapat si q of x ay hindi dapat mag-equal yan sa 0. Bakit? Kapag nag-equal to sa 0, ibig sabihin our function is what? Undefined, of course. The domain of f of x is the set of all values of x where q of x is not equal to 0. So, dito natin kinukuha yung value ng domain natin. Okay. I'll give you another application of rational function. So, kadalasan laging ginagamit yung problem na to. An object is to travel a distance of 10 meters. Express velocity v of t of travel time t and seconds. So, meron ng mga variable na binigay. So, hindi ka na mahihirapan i-identify kung anong gagamitin mong variables. So, the following table of values show v for various values of t. Okay. So, again, t represented in seconds. The velocity, that is the meters per second. So, yung tinatakbo, no? the distance travel. Okay. Sa 1 second, ilang meter ang matatakbo niya? 10 meters agad, no? 10 meters, ibig sabihin ganun kabilis. Next, in 2 seconds, ilang meters ang matatravel ng object? Okay, mas bumaba, 5. In 3 seconds, ilang meters ang itatravel ng object? 2.5. In 4 seconds, ilang meters ang ma-travel ng object? Okay. Sa 4 seconds, meron siyang 2 meters, no? Matatravel niya. In 5 seconds, that will be 1 meter. Bakit kaya ganyan, no? Using ano yung magiging function natin? So, yan ang tanong. So, paano natin nakuha yung 10, 5, 2.5, 2, and 1? So, kanina, sa unang problem, gumamit tayo ng function. So, dito rin. So, para makuha natin yung 10, 5, 2.5, 2, and 1, gagamit din tayo ng function. We need to represent into function. So, ano kaya ang function ng problem? So, V of t, that is equal to 10 over t. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung function para makompute natin itong nasa baba na to. Yung velocity, yung meters per second. So, for example, 10 times, kapag 1 second, your velocity, okay, is 10. So, kapag 2 seconds, 10 divided 2, that is 5. So, importante na ma-identify nyo ang function. Okay, yung gagamitin yung rational function, by the way. Okay. Another problem. Suppose that C of t is equal to 5t over t squared plus 1 in milligram per milliliter. Represent the concentration of a drug in a patient's bloodstream t hours after drug was administered. Construct a table of values for C of t for t is equal to 1, 2, 5, and 10. Round your answer to the 3 decimal places. Use the table to sketch a graph and interpret the result. Okay. After natin magawa yung table of values, using the value of t, which is 1, 2, 5, and 10, so titingnan natin yung graph. And then we need to interpret. So since binigay na yung rational function natin, so madali na lang sa atin para gawin yung table of values. Bakit? Mag-i-evaluate na lang tayo ng function na to using the values of t. No? So substitute na lang natin itong 1, 2, 5, and 10 dito sa given function. Okay. Let's start with 0. So nag-start tayo sa 0. No? If your t is 1, or the time is in 1 hour, so yun yung di ba, represented ng t, that is hours after the drug was administered. So yung C of t natin ay 2.5 milligram per milliliter, no? This is the what is this? The concentration of a drug in a patient bloodstream. After 2 hours, 2 na lang. After 5 hours, 0.962. And after 10 hours, you have 0.495. So dito class, no? Gamit tong function na 'to kaya nakuha natin yung 2.5, 2, 0.962, and 0.495. Ang gagawin niyo lang yan, isa-substitute niyo lang dito sa function na 'to, sa value ng t. Sabi kanina, we need to sketch the graph using the table of values. Okay? So this now the graph. So start tayo sa 0. Pagdating ng after 1 hour, so the bloodstream concentration is, okay, wait, 2.5. Okay? Pagdating ng after 2 hours, bumaba 2. After 5 hours, mas lalong bumaba 5. So anong interpretation natin? Okay, magi-start sa after 1 hour, that is the maximum, no? Level in milligram. No, mag-e-effect yung gamot after 1 hour. And then after 1 hour, pababa ng pababa yung effect ng gamot sa patient's bloodstream. Okay, so therefore, we can say that the graph indicates that the maximum drug concentration occurs around 1 hour after drug was administered. Okay, so dun siya mag-e-effect after 1 hour. After 1 hour, the graph suggests that the drug concentration decreases until it is almost zero. So, yun yung ibig sabihin niya. So, marami pa tayong pwedeng i-represent na problem in rational function. But this time, yan lang muna ang i-discuss ko. So, I hope na uh, na na-appreciate nyo si rational function, no, in different scenario. So marami pa mga situation na pwede natin gamitan ng rational function. Okay, I have here another example. In an organ pipe, the frequency F of vibration of air is inversely proportional to the length L of the pipe. Suppose that the frequency of vibration in a 10-foot pipe is 54 vibration per seconds. Express F as a function of L. So, since this is inversely proportional to L, so, pang grade 9 lesson, no? Kasi sa grade 9 may variation. Then, F is equal to KL. K is the constant, no? Itong K natin, di ba, constant yan. Okay, yung naalala nyo during your grade 9 lesson. And then, okay, kukunin natin yung constant muna. Kunin natin yung constant. Since we have a given L is 10 and F is 54, that is the 10-foot pipe in 54 vibration. So the constant is 540. Cross multiplication lang yan eh. So now, babalikan natin yung function na yon and then ilalagay na natin yung constant. So that will be, okay, F of L is equal to 540 over L. So this is now the function of this problem. No? 5, F of L is equal to 540 over L. Okay. Meron nga pala dyan, no? Kapag anong ginamit natin dito, kapag gagawa kayo ng rational function, no? Yan. Kung anong letter dyan, yan din yung letter dito. Okay? Yan ang lagi nyo mapapansin. I think this is a last problem. The distance from Manila to Baguio is around 250 kilometers. First, okay, you need to answer, how long will it take you to get Baguio If your average speed is 25 kilometers per hour, 40 kilometers per hour, and 50 kilometers per hour, construct a function where the speed of travel that describe the time it takes to drive from Manila to Baguio. O, sa madaling sabi, class, doon tayo muna sa letter A. So, from Manila to Baguio, meron 250 kilometers. Now, kung tumatakbo yung sasakyan mo ng average speed of 25 kilometers per hour, no? We need to find, no, the average speed of your uh, let's say nag-van kayo, tingnan natin. Okay. Distance is calculated as the product of speed and time. So we can get the time by dividing distance by the speed. Now, so kapag 25 kilometers, ilang oras sila, ilang oras nila tatakbuhin from Manila to Baguio? Kung ang average speed ay 25 kilometers per hour, ganun kabilis yung sinasakyan nila. So, ilang oras? So, 10 hours. Kung 25 kilometers per 25 kilometers at 250 kilometers yung distance from Manila to Baguio, then the average speed nung sinasakyan nila ay 25 kilometers per hour, ibig sabihin sa isang oras, yung sinasakyan nila ay tumatakbo ng 25 kilometers. So, ilang oras nila tatakbuhin o ilang oras sila bago makarating sa Baguio. So, in 10 hours. Paano naman kapag 40 kilometers? Ibig sabihin, mas mabilis to. Kasi sa loob ng isang oras, 40 kilometers ang kaya itakbo ng sasakyan nyo. Ibig sabihin lang yan, sa loob ng sa mahabang 250 kilometers, makakarating na kayo sa Baguio in 6 hours and 25 minutes. Ganon kabilis. Paano naman kapag ang sasakyan nyo ay tumatakbo ng 50 kilometers per hour? Mas mabilis to. Ibig sabihin, in 5 hours, nandun na kayo sa Baguio. So, ano magiging function natin sa given problem na yan? What will be the rational function? So, that is T of S is equal to D over S. Since the distance is given, so our function is T of S is equal to 250 over S. So, tingnan nyo, same na naman sila. Okay, so I hope meron na kayong uh, a short background, no, about rational function. Kasi yung mga next lesson is tungkol na sa rational function. Rational inequality, equation, and function, and how to graph. So, alam nyo na how to represent rational function in a different real-life scenario or situation. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button sa WowMath channel namin.